Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share the mini pocket letters I received on the swap. The swap was hosted by Joanne. Happy Mail Stamper is her YouTube channel name. And of course, everybody's links will be down below in the description box so you could check out Joanne, who hosted it, and all the lovely ladies that participated. So the three women that I got matched up with was Tree from KRAFTZ, also Kathy's Creative Crafts and More, and also BB's Craft. So those ladies sent me beautiful pocket letters, and I'm going to jump right on into it. The first one that I'm sharing is from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More, and I love how she made the envelope, or just covered the envelope with pattern paper, and it does fit amazingly perfect in here, so that's a great idea. And I might steal that next time I do a mini pocket letter swap. And I love the way she decorated it with the crepe paper, and that's some of that Dollar Tree Easter tulle. And it says bunny tails, adorable. And here's the pocket letter. She had this little dangly with the bunny and the tassel, and that's really cute. And on the outside, she has this banner, a little rain boot, and I'm gonna just pull this first one out, and she made these all like little pockets. So I really think that's a cute idea. And this has gather, and she put some of this golden thread behind there. And inside there's some blingies. I love heart blings. So that's the first pocket. And then in the second pocket here, there's the tea bag. We did have to include a tea bag, and this is apple and cranberry. I do love tea, so I can't wait to try that. And I'm going to put these cards in back after, but I almost forgot to show you how she has everything here on the back. So she likes clean and simple, teal, aqua, turquoise, pinks. She likes double-sided foam tape and ephemera, Reese's Pieces, yes, yes, yes. And she's really smart. She taped up her address so I could show you guys. And her date of birth is August 4th. Good birthday there. So that's that. And then over here, the last pocket, another one like that, and she put some boots on the back here. It says, home is where the flowers grow. And in here, oh gosh, she sent me some eyelash trim. I love this. And I only have this from when people give me, so thank you. And look how adorable. It looks like a little coffee mug that she wrapped this all around. Really cute idea. You get so many ideas from these kind of swaps. So that is from Kathy. Very sweet. I will be putting everything back together and adding these all to my pocket letter binder. So the next one I want to share is here. This one is from Tree. You guys don't know her. I will link her channel, and everybody's down below. She added a little dangly on this side. Cute, cute. And I love the pinwheel. That is cute. I never made one of these before. And Tree decided to make all of hers little envelopes. So it opens with a little Velcro, and inside is where the goodies are. So cute, these ideas. So she sent me a giant bundle here of sequins. I love those. And then in this pocket, she wrote open all three. She's so funny. In this pocket here is the tea bag. And this one is orange spice. And I know I love it. And over in this little pocket here, oh, this one she made, I forgot, because I did take a peek. This one she made like a card. And look at this. Tree makes the coolest little cards. It's a pop-up card. And watch her channel if you want to learn how. I haven't tried it yet, but it's a really cool thing. And she is Tree KRAFTZ on YouTube and Instagram. And she likes coffee over tea, pink, gold, white, Nouveau Drops, Stickles, Christmas, no Halloween, I guess she doesn't do that, and her birthday is September 22nd, and she's got her address. So that is an adorable little card there. I never thought to make it a card. And it says, adventure is calling, and that is true. And in this last pocket right here, she made a little folder. Really cute ideas. So I'm going to take some of these ideas. And in here, she gave me some stickers. Really like those for planning. So those are adorable. And then these are like little teeny cutouts, which also could be good for planning or layering up different things. So cute. So that was what was in this pretty little folder, and I love how it has little cherries, a very cute paper. These are different papers that I haven't seen. So thank you, Tree, for participating in Joanne's little swap here. And this last one is from BB's Crafts. So I'm going to show you right here. She sent me a little pocket in here, and I think this is a cute little idea as well. She put a little acetate so you could kind of see through. So that's a great pocket, and I really find this paper adorable. There's a little charm, and I never seen a little umbrella charm. How stinking cute. A little butterfly. I love butterflies, and I just think this is cute. So this I might just be clipping on my planner as well. And inside her pocket letter, she, first I want to show this adorable little bow. Very cute little clip. And, whoops. So in this pocket here, she has her first card, and she has a little sticker here, handmade by BB's Crafts. Cute. She gave me a bundle of little gold sequins, a nice mixture here. These are really pretty. And then on this pocket, she decorated on the outside with these cute little flowers and live in the moment. And this is where her tea bag is, and how hysterical. She sent me the same one, apple and cranberry. So funny. So I got 2 of those, and then I also got the orange and spice. Really funny that they both sent the same one. I never had that one. I've had orange and spice, so must be good. And then in this last pocket here, she gifted some of these cute little white butterflies. And this is the pretty paper she picked, and on the back. Really cute. Alright guys, that is it for today. Those were the mini pocket letters that I received from Tree Craft On, Kathy's Creative Crafts and More, and BB's Crafts. So definitely go by all these ladies' channels, show them some crafty love, as well as Joanne, Happy Mail Stamper, who hosted this fun swap. So that is it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.